Could your dream vacation be hiding in plain sight, tucked away in the digital pockets of your Acorns account? It's a question many of us have pondered. Can this micro-investing app, designed for long-term growth and automated savings, really be the secret weapon to funding your next adventure? We're talking about more than just throwing spare change at your retirement. We're exploring whether Acorns can be a conscious, strategic tool for a goal as exciting and immediate as a vacation. Think about it. The allure of Acorns lies in its simplicity. Roundups, recurring investments, diversified portfolios, it's all designed to make investing feel effortless, almost invisible. But when we picture saving for a trip to, say, the bustling souks of Marrakesh, the serene beaches of Bali, or the majestic glaciers of Patagonia, we often imagine dedicated savings accounts, strict budgets, and perhaps even a bit of financial deprivation. What if there was another way? What if the same platform that's quietly building your future could also be quietly funding your escape? Today, we're diving deep into the practicality, the pros, the cons, and the how-to of using Acorns for your vacation savings. We're going to break down whether its investment-centric model aligns with the relatively shorter time frames of vacation planning, explore strategies to maximize its potential for this specific goal, and ultimately, help you decide if Acorns is the right vehicle to get you from your couch to the coast, or wherever your wanderlust leads. First, let's set the stage. What is Acorns, at its core? It's an investment app that makes it easy to invest your spare change by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. It also offers recurring investments, diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance, and even a checking account with a debit card. Its primary mission is to help people, especially those new to investing, build wealth over the long term. This long-term focus is crucial to our discussion, as vacation savings often operate on a shorter timeline. So, immediately, we hit our first potential roadblock, time horizon. Investments, by their nature, carry risk. The stock market fluctuates. What goes up can come down. For long-term goals like retirement, these fluctuations tend to smooth out over decades, allowing your investments to recover from downturns and benefit from compounding. But for a vacation planned for, say, next year or even 2 years from now, a significant market dip could shrink your vacation fund right when you need it most. This brings us to a critical distinction: investing versus saving. Traditionally, saving for a short-term goal like a vacation involves low-risk, liquid accounts, think high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or even just a dedicated checking account. These accounts offer stability and guaranteed principal, even if the returns are minimal. Investing, on the other hand, offers the potential for higher returns but comes with the inherent risk of losing principal. Does this mean Acorns is a non-starter for vacation savings? Not necessarily. It means we need to approach it with a specific strategy and a clear understanding of the risks involved. Let's explore the advantages of using Acorns for vacation savings. One of the biggest benefits is the automation. Acorns make saving effortless. The roundups feature is a passive way to accumulate small amounts without even thinking about it. Every time you buy your morning coffee or groceries, a few cents or dollars are automatically swept into your investment account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach can be incredibly powerful, especially for those who struggle with traditional budgeting and manual transfers. These small, consistent contributions can add up surprisingly quickly. Imagine if every $4.75 coffee rounded up an extra 25 cents. Over a year, if you buy coffee 5 times a week, that's $65 without even trying. Now apply that across all your daily purchases. Beyond roundups, Acorns allows for recurring investments. You can set up daily, weekly, or monthly transfers from your linked bank account directly into your investment portfolio. This is where the real power for vacation saving comes in. Instead of just relying on spare change, you can treat your vacation fund as a regular bill, automatically allocating a set amount each pay period. This forces consistency and builds momentum much faster than roundups alone. Another potential advantage is the potential for growth. While traditional savings accounts offer negligible interest rates, an Acorns portfolio, even a conservative one, has the potential to grow your money through market returns. If the market performs well during your saving period, your vacation fund could grow faster than it would in a standard savings account, potentially allowing you to reach your goals sooner or afford a more elaborate trip. This is the secret sauce of investing, your money working for you. Finally, the psychological benefit of seeing your money invested and growing can be a powerful motivator. Unlike a stagnant savings account, an Acorns portfolio shows you the potential of compounding and market gains, which can inspire you to contribute more and stay disciplined towards your vacation goal. It makes the saving process feel more dynamic and rewarding. Now, let's address the crucial disadvantages and risks. The primary concern, as we discussed, is market volatility. If you're planning a vacation within a year or two, a sudden market downturn could significantly impact your fund. Imagine you're just 3 months away from your dream trip to Japan, and the stock market takes a 15% nosedive. Your Acorns balance, and therefore your vacation budget, could shrink considerably, forcing you to delay your trip, scale back your plans, or dip into other funds. This short-term risk is why many financial advisors recommend keeping short-term savings in low-risk, highly liquid accounts. Next, there are fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee, typically $3, $5, or $9 depending on your chosen tier, light, personal, or family. While these fees might seem small individually, they can eat into your returns, especially on smaller balances or over shorter time frames. If you're only contributing a small amount each month, these fees can represent a significant percentage of your total returns, potentially negating any investment gains. For example, if you're aiming to save $2,000 for a vacation in 1 year, and you're paying $3 a month in fees, that's $36 gone from your potential vacation fund, regardless of market performance. Then there's the lack of dedicated goal-based saving features for short-term goals. While Acorns offers goal-based investing for long-term objectives like retirement, it doesn't have specific features for short-term goals like vacations with clear deadlines. This means you'll need to manually track your progress and manage your expectations based on market performance. You won't get a neat progress bar showing you how close you are to your trip budget within the app itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.